Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another hair review. So yeah, okay guys, I have on the people that bought it. I just got it. I'm one of those people who when you get something new can't wait to wear it. Okay, but look, it's pretty cute. Anyway guys, I'm back with another hair review. Today's video is going to be a lace install. I didn't forget about my lace install because in all honesty, this forehead can't be out 24/7, okay? So I do have my love for the lace because it helps me to shrink my forehead just a little bit to my liking. So let me go ahead and try this unit on. This is my first time collaborating with this company. However, I can say that I am so far pleasantly surprised and pleased with the way this lace is looking. I love the way it's plucked in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and see if I need to do any additional plucking. This is what the hairline looks like straight out the box. I actually think this looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I want to pluck. It actually looks pretty good. This is actually plucked pretty good. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace and go ahead and install this. Okay, I'm gonna spray some of my lace tint spray. I got this spray from the beauty supply store. It's by Wig Extensions. And I'm gonna just spray along the perimeter of the hairline just to get it to blend better with my complexion. And this is what it looked like after I spray this. I'm gonna dry it with my blow dryer. Now I'm gonna try this back on. And as you can see, it blends better with my complexion. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lay this unit down using my Got2b glue spray. You could wear it glueless if you're gonna wear it down. However, the sides do need to be secured down with some type of spray or adhesive. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down. This hairline is kind of boxy. I'm definitely gonna lay some baby hairs to camouflage it. I'm gonna tie this down with the scarf that it came with for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna take some of my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick and just lay down some of the hair in the back. I'm getting a little bit of shedding. this is cute. I like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna add a few curls to it, nothing major. Okay dolls, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do for this install. I actually really like how this turned out. Now I do think that the hairline was a little bit square in my opinion, but once I laid down some little bit of baby hairs, it blended right in. And one thing I can say that I do love about this hair so far is how light it feels. It doesn't feel heavy at all. It's 130% density, however, it's not thin. You can see how full this looks. So that's a plus, okay? And the fact that this comes with invisible knots, it comes pre-plucked. You can't really go wrong. Right now, you guys know there is a lace shortage, so I'm really happy to see any vendor that's really have any lace available, because I do still very much love my lace frontals. And this is a 13x4 frontal. However, the spacing, the parting space looks pretty good on this unit in my opinion. I think this is A1. This is my first time reviewing for this company, but so far I'm pretty impressed with what I see. As I did mention, I did get a little bit of shedding from this hair when I run my fingers through it. I'm not really getting it right now, but I did get a few strands earlier. However, it was nothing major. So let me go ahead and give you the deets on this unit. This is the 20-inch body wave from Sogoodhair. And they did provide me with a discount code for you to save 10%. And I believe you'll also get a free wig kit along with your purchase. And this is the 20-inch unit that I'm wearing right now. Let me go ahead and stand up so you can see what this looks like. So it lands about here on me. Let me turn around real quick so you can see what it looks like from the back. And as I mentioned, this is in 130% density. So the price of this wig with my code is gonna run you about $179. However, if you do want a shorter length, obviously it's going to be cheaper. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the information linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, what are we going to name her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you enjoyed this install and you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. And as always important, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.